Hello and welcome to another quick episode of Mark Fixes Stuff. This is a review episode of some tools that I've just bought from Amazon for £5 posted. They are what some people call Gamebit screwdrivers, but they're called here ATKNND Security Bit Set for Nintendo Devices by silverhooltools.com. And on the back we can see that they are 3.8mm and 4.5mm, which is pretty much all you need for most consoles, if you discount things like Torx and the tri-wing screwdriver you need for some Nintendo stuff. So let's have a quick look inside the packet. So immediately you're going to see that these are the ones with handles. The reason I went for ones with handles is because when you get the bits themselves, they have to go into a holder which can often be a bit thicker than the shaft of this screwdriver. And yeah, the problem is that often you won't be able to get into recessed holes to open consoles. So that's the reason I went for these. And even the 3.8mm game bit here is basically chamfered down so that it will fit inside. So £5 posted, pretty good. I'm pretty pleased with that actually. I don't think I could have got better quality tools for less money. Just zooming in a little bit there. Okay, so recommended. Tri-wing screwdrivers are about £1. I've got a couple of those. I'm not going to do a review video, I know that's silly. And I'm going to use these now very quickly to show you fits, drives, good. So what's the verdict? Well, I've used them on a couple of bits. I was worried that they might be a bit soft, but they've held up quite well. They don't cam out, which is to say slip. And yeah, the Silverhill Tools 3.8 and 4.5mm game bit set for Nintendo devices is available on amazon.co.uk. £5 delivered and well worth the money. So there you go. Thank you very much and subscribe to get your fix.